Welcome back to Build a Cleaner, facilitated by me, Sharon Tinberg. And today we are going to continue discussing the recruiting step of building a cleaner, specifically your classified ad. Next week we will discuss sources to use while recruiting, other than Indeed and Craigslist, which always will be a staple. But there are a variety of sources available beyond those two staples that will increase your odds considerably for being consistently staffed. And the classified ad you might want to use with them will most likely be different. Today I am discussing recruiting through sources like Indeed, Craigslist, local newspapers, sources like that. I call it mass marketing. I submit to you, just like selling your services, you will be most effective if you target market. The largest market for employees today is the restaurant industry. Ironically, many of their workers have lost their jobs, their hours have been cut back, and some, although still working, are looking for something more stable. I hired a few waitresses in my 20 years and waiters when I had my cleaning service, and they had some great characteristics. They are not lazy or afraid of work. They like to be active and they enjoy a high stress and fast-paced environment, which we can certainly provide. They have just always been in short supply as applicants because they make great money with tips, but not without tips. And for tips, they need big crowds, but 25% occupancy does not give them tips. And one last benefit we have to offer is that our cleaners are making substantially more money today than they were just 5 years ago. But the restaurant industry does not realize that. They won't if they don't read your classified ad. Statistics also show the restaurant industry has a very large percentage of the unemployed today. So why not go after that market? I am recommending you try the following classified ad just this weekend and see what happens. It is not a large amount of money, so what the heck, why not give it a try? You will start with 5 major bullets. The first, love the restaurant environment but looking for something more stable, question mark. Second bullet, we are an essential company, we never closed. Third bullet, tired of being in the front lines of the pandemic, question mark. Fourth bullet, many of your clients will not be there when you clean their homes, or they'll leave. Fifth bullet, like a high-paced and active environment, question mark. Then your body will read, ABC Company wants to offer you a great and consistent job. No more working 1 week, but not the next. If one of our employees contracts COVID-19, they quarantine, but it is not necessary for us to close our doors for 2 weeks because our employees have little or no contact face-to-face. All of our meetings are done online. This is one of the few jobs where impressive work will earn you a tip, but you may never see your client. We are currently hiring technicians to clean homes, offices, whatever you now are running the ad for. You need to fill in what you're looking for, a home cleaner, an office cleaner, full-time, part-time, and days or evenings. And then you conclude with your benefits. Probably a heading like position benefits, and the first bullet would be paid training. The second, work 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, no nights, no weekends. The third, work independently on your own if you are solos and not teams, or you're doing a commercial and they can work their own jobs. And last, career advancement opportunities. And any other bullets you can offer as benefits in your company. We will discuss following up with your applicants when we conclude the recruiting session. You can find this classified ad at successmadeeasy.com. Simply search Build a Cleaner and you can copy the ad. As usual, thanks for watching, and please let me know if this ad works for you at sltinberg@yahoo.com. Happy recruiting and stay safe.